Transferring home ownership after the death of a spouse. When a spouse dies, the process of transferring home ownership varies depending on how the property was owned. Forms of ownership like joint tenancy with right of survivorship and tenancy by the entirety allow the property to automatically pass to the surviving spouse without probate, but the spouse will need to update the deed. Other types of ownership may present other complications. To ensure a smooth transfer and prevent future legal issues, it's crucial for the surviving spouse to promptly update property records. How prepared are you to manage your property affairs during such challenging times? Contact Legacy Assurance Plan to discuss your specific situation and ensure your property transfer is handled smoothly and legally.
Visit Legacy Assurance Plan or call today and let's start planning for tomorrow, because peace of mind is the best gift you can give to yourself and the ones you love.